guys, welcome back. So today I am really excited for this video because today we are going to talk about facial masks. So what are face masks and when do we use face masks? We put on face masks when we feel our face needs something more, a little bit more than our usual moisturizer and cleanser and things like that. That's when the facial masks come handy. And if you guys do follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna link the username on the screen right here right now. I do share whenever I do a face mask on the Instagram stories, so make sure you follow me there. I am a face mask addict. That's how I can describe myself, because my skin is like A-class problematic skin. Alright, so it loves to does its own thing. Like right now, as you can see, I have got quite a few breakouts, and I have been suffering from acne and skin textures for a really long time. So what I have learned over time is if I use like the appropriate facial masks for that particular problem around that time, it really helps and you will keep on getting acne. Alright, so this is normal human body habits, or that's how our body likes to react. And if you are blessed with having no acne, no problem on your face, you are blessed, my lady. So today I have got you a few of my all-time, I can swear by, facial masks. I can categorize these as two types. One, when you have normal to oily and combination, we can put these two together. So whatever mask I'm going to share with you now, that will combat these concerns. Number one, this is my all-time favorite, hands down. I love this flippin' mask. This is the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment, the original one. This is like heaven in a jar. This will exfoliate your face first, take off all the dead skins. Number two, it's gonna make your pores appear smaller. Number three, if you're having any kind of skin concerns like acne and things like that, it takes that off. This is heaven. I love this stuff. And then I can give you a dupe for that mask, because that is quite expensive, which is this one. This is from Body Shop, the Himalayan charcoal mask. It does the exact same things that this one does. Only thing is the price difference, but this is equally good. I really love this one. We will talk about the sheet masks at the end of it because I love sheet masks. Let's finish off with the pot clay masks, things like that. And then when you feel like if your skin is going through some sort of unknown kind of reactions, small bumps, rashes, acne, textures, clogged pores and things like that, that's when I use this mask. This is also a beautiful mask. This is the Indian Healing Clay mask. This is in a powder form. You can mix this in with water, but I mix this in with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to combat your acne. As well, when mixed in with this powder, this becomes like some sort of superfood for your skin. It unclogs your pores, drags out all the impurities from inside. The next morning you feel like your skin is soft, smooth, moisturized, like everything you can dream of. That's what it is. And this is like quite a big jar. It will last you like forever, kind of a thing. And I think you can get this from Amazon. And then we all have those pesky acne scars which never tends to leave our face, and then all small little bumps which is there underneath your skin surface, but they will never come out and they're gonna stay there like forever. And then you feel your skin is not just looking at its best for whatever reason. Then I use this one. This is the Aloe Vera Gel. This is 92% aloe vera gel. So this you can use for your hair, for your skin, for your body, for your face, basically everywhere. This is really good. So you can use this as a leave-on conditioner for your hair, but I use this for my face. And what it does is it softens, it brightens, it evens out my skin tone, and sometimes it combats my acne as well. And this I love especially when I'm in a really hot, humid weather. This really helps, like, to soothe my face, to calm down the sunburns and things like that. Now let's talk about sheet masks. So what a sheet mask is, if you guys don't know by now, I'm sure many of you do. It's like it comes in a, what do you call this, pouch like this for one single use. It's like a tissue soaked in serums. So you put it on your cleansed face and leave it on for about 15-20, I leave it on for 30 minutes. You take it off and there's no need to rinse it off. You just let the serum do its wonder throughout the night. The next morning you wake up, your skin will be nice, plumped, and the concerns will be taken care of. Like, I have few, I'll show you. So this is from Garnier, and this is quite affordable one, and this one works, trust my word. This actually works. Like, give it a try and then let me know. First I tried only one, and then I've got like all of this. See that? So they've got a variety of like different skin concerns and different skin types. So this one I use when my face is extremely dry and dehydrated. This is the Moisture Balm, and this is the super hydrating one. So whenever I'm in a hot, humid weather and my skin needs a little bit of mattifying on the T-zone, but still the rest of my face will be dry, so then that's when I use this. This is with green tea. What's there? There is green tea extract, there's hyaluronic acid, there is hydrating glycerin. This is also really good. And then there are days when I'm like extremely tired and fatigued and dehydrated. That's when I use this one. This is also beautiful. This is the detiring one. So it says it's like intensely hydrates, reduces the appearance of fatigue, relaxes the senses. And the smell also really good. No wonder, because there is like lavender essential oil and hyaluronic acid in it. So lavender, anything lavender smell picks up your mood and relaxes your senses. And then there is like a soothing mask when I feel like my skin is red and dehydrated and just angry basically. That's when I use this one. This is the pink one. This is the super hydrating soothing mask, and it is with chamomile extract, hyaluronic acid, and hydrating active. This is for dry and sensitive skin, but normal skin people, you can also use this one as well. And then I really like this one as well. This is the pure charcoal one. So this one, it says it's enriched with black I don't know how do we pronounce this, algae extract, plus LHA and hyaluronic acid. So it's basically targeted towards enlarged pores and suck out like all the impurities from your face. This stuff is brilliant. So if you guys are on a budget, and if you guys are really someone who really don't have time for facial masks and like putting it on and then taking it off, washing it off, then sheet masks are going to be your best friend, trust me. These products, whatever I have shared with you today, these are my top picks. Of course, if you are at home remedy facial masks are incredibly good for your face, because you know whatever you're putting on top of your face, like yogurt, egg, honey, turmeric, things like that. So those also does wonders, but of course not all of us have the luxury of that time to organize all the stuff and then put it on our face. You know what I mean? That's when these kind of things come handy. Also, there is one more thing that I wanted to put it out there. Like for facial masks, you have to be consistent by using them. If you just use one, and you might not see that exact drastic result the next day. You have to use it at least 2 to 3 times. I almost forgot to mention these ones. These are also from Glam Glow. These are like for different skin types and concerns. So this is my latest obsession, the purple one. So this is the firming one, and it applies white, and when it dries down it turns like silver kind of a thing, and you can just peel it off and your skin feels, oh my goodness, firm, soft, exfoliated, beautiful. So guys, the only thing I can tell you, take care of your skin, take care of your face, use some face masks, pamper yourself. If you don't take care of yourself, you cannot take care of others. And as I always say, you have got just one face and you're not gonna get it back, so take care of it. And if you have any concerns, let me know in the comment box below. I'll be really happy to answer all your questions. Until next time, stay blessed, stay beautiful. Love you. Bye.